Step outside and welcome to my beautiful home forest. Look at this. Everyone loves a garden, right? Now I'm gonna show you some amazing plants and trees. Look at these tall trees. They are strong, calm, and peaceful. And have a look at this, like dancing with nature. When I come here, I just clear my mind. And here you can see water. This is a coconut tree. It gives a complete natural vibe. And also it is very useful. And here is banana plant. This one is so nice. These are snake plants. Have a look at this, a bunny cactus. The best thing is it needs very little care. And check this out. This is tulsi. It is very great and useful and brings positive energy. And have a look at this. These are mint plants. Very fresh and useful. This is a lemongrass. Look at these fresh leaves. They make the environment calm and refreshing. Here is a lovely tree with white flowers. The flowers look so pure and peaceful. This is pomegranate. Its bright flowers are very attractive. So, which plant did you like the most? Comment in the comment box. And try describing your surroundings in English. That's the best way to improve your English. And here is bougainvillea, so colorful and amazing. It grows easily even in sunlight, which is really amazing plants